What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add breadcrumbs to Elementor on WordPress. So breadcrumbs will help you tremendously with SEO or search engine optimization, and it does have a breadcrumbs widget is included in the Elementor Pro. However, if you don't want to use Elementor Pro, you can use a plugin that will allow you to add breadcrumbs into Elementor. So first of all, you need to go to plugins and make sure you add the Elementor plugin, install plugin, add new plugin, and first install the Elementor plugin. Click enter Elementor, click enter, and make sure this is downloaded or installed and activated, the Elementor website builder. Now the second plugin we want to install is an SEO plugin such as Yoast, which will allow us to add breadcrumbs from within Yoast. So Yoast SEO, install now, and then activate. And to access Yoast, just go to the dashboard or refresh the page. And once you do, you should see the Yoast menu item right here. So in the Yoast menu here, go to settings, and here in the Yoast settings, search for breadcrumbs, and here you should see it here. Now you should here get many settings for breadcrumbs. You can go ahead and edit the setting that you want.